So Joanne, I believe you've been a busy lady recently helping out the Blackburn community, DIY SOS. Just give us a bit of a background on the project.
So we're doing it for Nightsafe, so for young vulnerable children that may be homeless for whatever reason. So there was donated a building from St Celice's Church to renovate into 6 individual rooms to promote individual living. So the DIY SOS team got involved through Children in Need for Nightsafe and went on to renovate the property. So it was supposed to take 9 days, but unfortunately due to the size of the build, it went on a little bit longer for 12 days.
Did it all go well?
An amazing success, yeah. It looks absolutely stunning and I can't wait to see it on telly tomorrow.
And overall it went well, but was there a few little hiccups along the way?
Oh, definitely hiccups. It was hard work. People were working long hours. They were working through the night. Everybody just pulled together. There were times where you felt like you weren't going to see the end of it. But you'd have somebody come along and say, it's all right, you're doing a great job. Let's keep going. Let's all pull together. And off we went again. So yeah, it was a really good experience.
So there's usually some pretty big names at DIY SOS. Who was there this time?
Yeah, so you had the big, all the purple shirts, but then we had sort of local heroes, what we call Colin Hendry came up to help out. We had Mark Felix, world's strongest man, who's plasterer by trade. He came and gave a few days, plastered a few rooms. Then we have sort of Mark and Jules and Billy, Chris, and the designer, Gabrielle. So they were all there as usual. G and everybody on, making sure that everything was all done and dusted correctly.
What about Nick Knowles? Was he there? Did you get to meet him?
Oh, I did get to meet Nick Knowles, yeah. I've got my picture took with him, and he also did a little video for my nephew, which was absolutely great. Sent it to my nephew, and he was over the moon wanting to know, how's he know my name? How's he know my name? So yeah, I also got like a t-shirt signed for him as well, from all the gang. So he's got that now to put up on his little shelf. We're in a little frame for him.
And a little birdie tells me that you got the Totally Wicked name out there while you were there.
Yeah, I sort of wrote it on the back of my high-vis jacket. Also as well, people were asking me everything about vaping. So I gave loads of advice, gave advice to new vapers, even promoted the new bite. So we gave out a few new bites to people and they thought they were absolutely fantastic. So word of mouth went round the actual site. I had people coming up asking me, have you got any more bites? I want to start vaping rather than smoking. And that's how it went on throughout the build. So yeah, I have had somebody come in and ask for me in store while I've been in work. So I popped through and sorted them out for as well.
So for people that want to watch the episode, how can they tune in?
They can watch it on BBC on the 13th of November at 8 PM or catch it on BBC iPlayer. It should be on there for quite a while.
Would you do it again?
Most definitely. Yeah, there was another one just about 2 weeks after, but I didn't have enough time off work, so couldn't do it, but definitely doing it next year.